Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off share name and photo in contacts on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen, and from the home screen tap on settings. Now in the settings page we go down, and in here tap on contacts. Next tap on share name and photo. Then we go down and tap on name and photo sharing. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on. After that, tap on name and then choose the name that you want to share. It will use your default name from your account. If you want to change it to something else, you can do that too. So here, David from ID Jungles. So tap on done. And that's it. So we can change the name, choose how you want to share it. So here, share automatically to contacts only, or always ask. And that's it. Then tap on done at the top to finished. To switch it off, simply tap on the toggle button to switch it off. And tap on done to save the changes. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.